If you suffer from conditions such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or irritable bowel syndrome, it's key to focus on foods that are easily digestible and provide high-quality nutrition to the body. This smoothie recipe is easy on the belly and delivers energizing and awesome ingredients that will help you conquer the day. So get your high-speed blender ready. So starting off with a banana, what's great about the banana is that it has a ton of nutrients in it. It has vitamin C, it has magnesium and potassium. What I like to do is I'll cut the banana and I'll freeze it, and then I'll use these little cute banana cubes instead of ice cubes. I'm gonna grab my reusable bag, I'm gonna throw some banana coins in here and freeze them so they'll be ready for my smoothie. And I like using a high-speed blender because it makes the smoothie even more liquefied. 1 cup of oat milk. And oat milk is a great alternative for those that can't tolerate dairy milk. And now I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. And these are fantastic because they absorb that extra liquid in the smoothie that helps it become even creamier. Next, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of cubed cantaloupe. And this is high in vitamin A, which is great for the immune system, helping those with digestive or inflammatory conditions. Into the blender. Now it's time for the frozen bananas. And this is one of my favorite parts of the smoothie because it keeps it cold, it keeps it creamy, and it's packed with nutrients. The final awesome nutrition powerhouse ingredient. This is flax seeds. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, which is great for digestive relief, cholesterol and weight management, and they also have some calcium, which is great for bone health. And now it's time to blend this baby up. A couple of pulses will incorporate all the ingredients together. So now it's completely incorporated. All the ingredients are nice and liquefied. All right, I'm gonna go grab a glass. It is going to be so refreshing, so delicious. To top it off, I have to grab a refreshing little sprig of mint. What a beautiful color. A nice aroma to smell as well. And cantaloupe. Cheers!